أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. In this video, inshallah, we're going to demonstrate how to use our eDeen Academy portal. eDeen Academy is our Islamic studies section on our main platform, tajweedindepth.com. You have two options to get to the eDeen Academy portal. You can either go directly to it by typing www.eDeenacademy.com. This will take you directly to the website. The alternate option is for you to go to our homepage, which is www.tajweedindepth.com. And on here, you can either click on the Islamic Studies tab up here, or if you scroll to the bottom and click on the Islamic Studies eDeen Academy, this too will take you straight to our website. On the eDeen website itself, this is the homepage. The list of courses we currently offer are right there. There's no need for registration. You don't need to enter your information. The material on this website is free for anyone and everyone to use, adults, children, whatever you want to do. When you click on the courses tab, these are the same courses again: Aqidah, Fiqh, Hadith, Sirah, Adab, and Dua. These are the courses that we currently have for offer. At the moment, our Aqidah page is populated with lessons. The other pages will be populated in the coming days and weeks. On the Aqidah page, you can see that the lessons are designed as 48 lessons. So we have 48 lessons total in order for you to be able to do one lesson per week for 12 months in the year. Of course, there are 52 weeks in the year. There's no harm in taking a break. We only made room for 48 lessons. So each week you would do one lesson of Aqidah, perhaps on a Monday. On Tuesday you would do one lesson of Sirah. Wednesday you would do one lesson of Fiqh. Thursday you would do one lesson of Hadith. And Friday you would do one lesson of Adab and Dua. That way you have a more comprehensive approach to Islamic studies as a whole for the entire year. Assuming that we have 4 weeks in a month, and because of that, each lesson will have 48 lessons. So if you do the first 4 lessons of Aqidah in month 1, you would do the first 4 lessons of Hadith in month 1, first 4 lessons of Fiqh in month 1, first 4 lessons of Sirah, Adab, and Dua, and so on. And again, feel free to pick and choose however you prefer. It's up to you what you want to do. Choose to pick one subject, complete all the lessons therein over a period of time, and then move on to the next subject and complete all the lessons therein. Even though this is not our personal recommendation, we prefer that you mix all of the lessons every week, so that way you have a more comprehensive approach, and Allah knows best. All right, so if we click on the first lesson, it'll bring you to the lesson itself. Our videos are usually a minute or a little over. They're very short. They're straight to the point. Once you click on it, it'll play the video. You learn the concepts in there. And inshallah, with time, we're going to design a setting where you have the option to take a quiz based on the content of each video. If you want to proceed after watching the first video, if you want to proceed to the next lesson, just click on the tab right here, and it'll take you to the next lesson. All these lessons all under Aqidah, and you can see you're in lesson 2. If you want to go back to the home page of Aqidah, just click the button and it brings you back here. Say, for instance, you're on lesson 30, you want to go back to lesson 29, you can click the previous lesson button and it'll take you to the previous lesson. Again, right now at the moment, our Aqidah page is the only one populated with courses. Inshallah, in the coming days and weeks, we're going to populate the other courses as well. Up here, you can see our parent portal platform, tajweedindepth.com, and the Quran tab here takes you to our Al-Murattal webpage, so that you can also, you have everything right here handy for you immediately. If you want to access, for instance, practice your Quran in Islamic studies, we want eDeen Academy to be the one-stop shop, one-stop portal for you for all of your Quranic and Islamic science needs. We ask Allah to accept this humble effort from us and to make it easy for you to benefit from our humble efforts. Jazakumullahu khairan. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email us at tajweedindepth@gmail.com. That's tajweedindepth@gmail.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our videos, inshallah, so you'll be updated with regards to every time we post a new video. جزاكم الله خيرا سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.